how to create multiple social media posts using a CRM to help you simplify this entire process. So we use GoHighLevel as part of our CRM technologies for my agency and all of our clients because it is the best all-in-one sales and marketing platform I've ever seen. So I've also am using Muhammad Asmal, his prompt, Accelerator Authority Content Creator 5. Now this might be a not a paid prompt, but it might not be available to everybody. But I'm using his prompt to give me some content ideas for helping people with AI and everything to do with their let's say contractor or home service pro business. So one of the scripts I'm working on is this one here, where it talks about missed call lead rescue, missed call text back. So I've already got the script in mind. So all I'm going to do here is grab this from, I'm using ChatGPT, and I'm going to now go over to our software, over to marketing, and I'm going to click new post, and I'm going to create the new post. Now, I've already attached my accounts, and you can attach many different accounts here, as you can see. So I'm attaching YouTube, TikTok, my LinkedIn profile, Instagram, and 2 of my Facebook accounts. But you can add quite a bit more. Now, that's the 6 I want to do. Now, I can customize for each channel, which I always kind of like to do. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to customize each. So right now you can see I'm under Facebook, and I'm going to drop this text in here, and I'm going to just do a little bit of modifications here, of course. And I'm going to delete some of this stuff. And actually what I'm going to do is say, can you please add emojis for this content to use on Facebook? Oops, I'm going to stop that. Please use emojis for this content to be posted on Facebook. Okay. And then I'm just going to paste it. So now it's going to take that script and it's going to make it a little bit more palatable for Facebook. It'll make it look a little bit better. Okay. So perfect. So I'm just going to now copy this. Okay. And we're going to use this. Copy. We'll go back to here. Delete that. Okay. And that's perfect. Now in Facebook, you can drop a link. So if I could do something like this, and I can encourage people to check us out at this URL. So that's Facebook. Instagram, same scenario, copy paste. Okay. I'm going to come back and add the video in a second. LinkedIn, I might not use all of this. I might come back here and say, can you regenerate for LinkedIn audience? Okay, so there you go there. Can you regenerate for LinkedIn audience? See, there's less emojis. It just looks a little bit different, okay? So we'll copy this for that LinkedIn audience. And we'll go back here and we'll delete all of that. Okay, LinkedIn audience. And again, AI employee.ca. Instagram, did I add the URL? No, let's add the URL. AI employee.ca. TikTok, do that, and YouTube. Now YouTube, I do this, but then I also would ask, can you give me a strong YouTube title? So I'm asking it to give me a strong YouTube title. I would probably have better wording than that, but I just wanted to show you the concept. There you go. And I will come back down here and I'll add this title. It's public. Okay. So now all I need to do is add the content. So if I just did this video, I would just click on video. I'm just going to grab one here just to show you. Okay. So now you can see on Facebook what this post is going to look like. You can see what it's going to look like on Facebook again. So those are 2 Facebook accounts. Here's what it looks like on, oh, we have to add it again. Here's what it looks like on Instagram. If I come back here to LinkedIn. So you can see where this software really makes it super easy. There's TikTok, and if I go up to YouTube and click here, there you go. So now I have created, and quite easily, I've created 6 posts that I can now, there's a button down here that you can't see. It says post now or schedule. So I can now see schedule, and I can click any one of these dates and times and schedule all 6 of those posts to go out. And this to me is how you remain sane, yet create a lot of great content for people who are your potential audience. So again, I'll leave a link in this video if you wanted to look at GoHighLevel. This will be an affiliate link, and which doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps to support this channel. And if you found this interesting, by all means, hey, subscribe, smash the like, make a comment, you know, and yeah, hopefully we'll get some more content out in the market. All right. Thank you.